Congratulations! You've just finished integrating collaborative features into your product. But easy there, you aren't done yet, because now you have to launch those features to let your users know that they exist. Because as we all know, customers don't just start using new features. You gotta push them in the right direction. And we know that preparing a launch can be a lot of work, which is why we've made a launch kit for you. It's got assets for helping you pre-launch, during launch, and post-launch, for touch points like social media and email. We even have a whole website landing page built for you, so you don't even need to spend time thinking about that. Though, these are only Figma templates, so you still have to do some of the work, like filling out your company name and logo and posting. We even have a guide on best practices for your in-app launch, like indicators, tour guides, checklists, nudges, and obviously notifications. And you can even take a look at launch examples from our customers like Trumpet, Pendo, and HeyGen. So head over and download our collaboration kit on Figma. Go to our launch kit page and get copying.